Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to link Google Authenticator to Bybit. So if you haven't set up a two-factor authentication, it's really important that you do. Glad that you came to this video, or that you come to this video, because I will help you establish that. So all you got to do is just click your profile icon at the top left, click the settings gear, right, and hit security, and turn on two-factor authentication, right? And all you gotta do now is just confirm that you made this step. An email will be received, right? And just put the code that's been sent, 0092, right? And basically a code will be generated for Google Authenticator. And just copy the key or the code, go ahead to Google Fact or Google Authenticator. If you don't know how, just go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and hit search Google Auth. Alright, you're gonna be able to download Google Authenticator app. Just open it up and sign in with your Google account. Hit the plus button at the bottom right, and hit setup key or enter a setup key. Add the account name, which is Bybit. If you want to add a unique name, you can do that. So if you have, like me, many codes, then you need to add a unique name and enter the key and the type of key, time-based or counter-based, right? Either of those, basically, it will count down to 60 seconds, which you can take the code and apply it if asked by Bybit, and then hit add, and basically you're gonna see the final result. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.